In this video, we will share 7 lifetime lessons from Dale Carnegie's book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Lesson 1. Smile and be friendly. When you approach people with a smile and are friendly, it helps you make a great first impression. People tend to respond positively to those who smile and greet them warmly. It fosters positive relationships. Being friendly and approachable encourages people to want to interact with you, which can lead to deeper connections. It improves communication. When you smile and are friendly, it creates a more relaxed and open atmosphere, which makes communication easier and more effective. It boosts your mood. Smiling and being friendly can actually improve your own mood, making you feel more positive and energized. It can help you achieve your goals. By being approachable and building positive relationships, you may be able to gain support and cooperation from others in achieving your goals. Remember, nothing you wear is more important than your smile. Lesson 2. Remember and use people's names. When you remember the names of those you interact with, and address them by their name, it shows that you value and respect the person. By taking the time to remember someone's name, you demonstrate that they are important to you. It makes people feel appreciated and helps build rapport. When someone uses our name, it can make us feel seen and appreciated, which can have a positive impact on our mood and mindset. People also feel more comfortable around those who remember their names, and it can help build a sense of connection and trust. It instantly gets their attention. Humans are wired to respond to their names from childhood. Addressing someone by their name instantly gets you their attention and removes any distractions. It can help you stand out and improve communication. Remembering and using people's names makes you more memorable, especially when you do not meet them often. Using a person's name in a conversation also helps communicate better, since the action or instruction is addressed directly to them. A person's name is their identity, their label, how they are recognized, and what they respond to. Lesson 3. Avoid arguments. As obvious as it sounds, avoiding arguments is a great way to gain influence as it helps preserve relationships. Arguments can damage relationships and make it harder to work together effectively. By avoiding arguments, you can keep relationships positive and productive. It helps you learn from others. When you avoid arguments, you create a space where people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and opinions. This can lead to better communication and understanding. It makes you more likable. People are generally more drawn to those who are easygoing and non-confrontational. By avoiding arguments, you can make yourself more likable and approachable. It creates a better environment. Arguments can be stressful and emotionally draining. By avoiding them, you can create a more relaxed and harmonious environment. It can help you bring consensus. When you avoid arguments and focus on finding common ground, you can often persuade others more effectively. This approach can help you build rapport and gain support for your ideas, which can really help in leadership positions when working with teams. As we say, people's minds are changed through observation and not through argument. Lesson 4. Show respect for others' opinions. Respecting others' opinion not only shows character, it fosters positive relationships. When you show respect for others' opinions, you create a more positive and productive environment for communication and collaboration. It promotes open-mindedness. When you are open to hearing other people's opinions, you can learn from their perspectives and broaden your own understanding. It can help you persuade others. When you show respect for others' opinions, they are more likely to be receptive to your own ideas and perspectives. This can help you influence others more effectively. It demonstrates empathy. Showing respect for others' opinions demonstrates that you are empathetic and understanding, which can help build trust and rapport. It can lead to better decision-making. By considering multiple perspectives and being respectful of others' opinions, you can often arrive at better and more innovative solutions to problems. Lesson 5. Encourage others to talk about themselves. When you do so, it shows interest and respect. When you encourage others to talk about themselves, you demonstrate that you are interested in their lives and experiences, which can help build rapport and trust. It helps you learn from them. When you listen to others talk about their experiences and perspectives, you can learn from their insights and gain new knowledge. It can help you find common ground. When you encourage others to talk about themselves, you can often find ways to connect with them and influence them more effectively. It can lead to deeper connections. When you show a genuine interest in others and their lives, you can build deeper and more meaningful connections with them, which can have a positive impact on both personal and professional relationships. It creates a favorable environment. People generally feel more comfortable when they are talking about themselves, and this can help create a more relaxed, comfortable, and open atmosphere for communication. Lesson 6. Begin with praise and appreciation. Starting with appreciation is a solid ground because it creates a positive tone. When you begin a conversation with genuine praise and appreciation, you set a positive tone for the interaction and create a more welcoming atmosphere. It builds rapport. By showing genuine appreciation for something the other person has done or said, you create a sense of connection with them and build rapport. It helps you stand out. Humans are social beings and welcome genuine appreciation. Beginning a conversation with praise and appreciation can help you stand out from others and make a memorable impression. It creates a receptive mindset. When you start a conversation by praising the other person, it can put them in a more receptive and open-minded mindset, which can make them more receptive to your own ideas and perspectives. It helps build trust and goodwill. Beginning a conversation with praise and appreciation demonstrates that you are a kind and respectful person, which can help build trust and goodwill with the other person. Lesson 7. Listen actively and attentively. Listening is a superpower. It helps build relationships. When you listen actively and attentively to someone, you show that you are interested in them and value what they have to say, which can help build stronger relationships. It promotes understanding. Active listening can help you better understand the other person's perspective and experiences, which can lead to better communication and collaboration. It can help resolve conflicts. By listening actively and attentively, you can better understand the other person's concerns and find common ground, which can help resolve conflicts and find solutions to problems. It demonstrates empathy. Active listening is an important way to demonstrate empathy and understanding, which can help build trust and rapport. It can lead to better outcomes. When you listen actively and attentively, you can gain new insights and information, including information that may not be said directly, and can make better decisions and achieve better outcomes. So, let's do a quick recap of the 7 lessons we covered in this video. Lesson 1. Smile and be friendly. Lesson 2. Remember and use people's names. Lesson 3. Avoid arguments. Lesson 4. Show respect for others' opinions. Lesson 5. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Lesson 6. Begin a conversation with praise and appreciation. Lesson 7. Listen actively and attentively. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to tell us which other book summaries would you be interested in, and we will create them for you. Thank you for your time.